guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So this is like day a million of me uploading over the last week or so. So if you haven't, watched any of the uploads from this week, definitely catch up and, take in all that content. December is going to be more, probably not as intense as November, but I had to get all these videos out. So today's video is brought to you by YGwigs, and today I don't have a human hair headband wig for you guys. I actually have a HD lace wig that I'm going to be showing you guys today. So I'm going to show you guys how I apply my lace wig, and I'm going to get into the review. So if you are interested in this review, keep on watching, and I'll see you guys very soon.
Your number, baby. I'll give you mine if you give me yours. Can I call tomorrow, maybe? Ooh, I'm feeling down, so can you be my cure? Say, can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I get yours?
Guys, so I am back, and you guys saw the application process of this wig and everything. So I am going to get into the specs, and then tell you guys my thoughts about this wig. So this is actually a 13 by 4. This is not a 13 by 6. This is a 13 by 4 HD lace frontal wig from YGwigs. And this is in a loose wave texture, which I fell in love with the loose wave texture recently because I did a headband wig and I was like, I love it so much, still do. So I was like, yeah, I definitely want to try it in a lace wig version, and here we are. So this is a loose wave texture. It's 22 inches, a natural color, 150% density. So okay, so with all of my specs with the 22 inches, this is $249, but you do have that coupon code as well to save some coins at checkout. So this wig will be $229 instead of the $249 if you use that coupon code. When I took it out of the pack and I was looking at the hairline with the unboxing and everything, I noticed that the hairline to me was kind of thick and I could see the knots pretty clearly, but I wasn't really too worried about the knots because I used to bleach my knots all the time, but I don't really do that anymore just to save on time, and I don't have the material, so you know, I don't even bleach my knots anymore. But it does make your wig look more natural, especially if they have bigger knots. This wig does have bigger knots on it, and I felt like the hairline could have been pre-plucked more. I don't think they claim to have like a pre-plucked hairline. Yeah, in the specs and stuff, they don't claim to have a pre-pluck, so I can't knock them too much about like false advertisements or anything like that, but I would prefer the hairline to be a lot more pre-plucked because it would just make the application process a lot easier. But off camera, I did tweeze the hairline. I do have a standalone tutorial on how to tweeze hairlines on your wig. So if you are a newbie or you're just somebody kind of intimidated about, you know, tweezing hairlines, definitely check out that video if you need some help on how to tweeze your hairlines on your wigs. So those are my two big like cons about this. The knots were pretty apparent, and the hairline was super thick. The HD lace, to me, I feel like it's not the most melted lace that I've ever seen, but it's decent. So as far as the pros and the cons about this wig, the knots were not bleached and the hairline was pretty thick, so I did have to tweeze the hairline. So it's not as beginner friendly as I would like it to be. Now the cap size is a medium cap size. That's usually what I get because, you know, I have a bigger head, but the custom wigs do take a lot longer, so I tend to get like medium size caps. The cap on this wig is actually really comfortable, and they gave, like, I had excess lace around the ears that I had to cut off and stuff. So the cap size, very comfortable on my 23-inch circumference head, which is very big. And I really love this natural loose wave here. And this is a texture I think I'm going to try to, you know, incorporate into my collection a lot more because it's so effortless and soft looking. This is not washed. I usually wash all of my wigs just because I feel like after you wash them, they look even better. Today, what I did was I sprayed it with some water, and then I took my leave-in conditioner, my Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner with my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and then I just ran it through it, and it dried very quickly, and this is what the curls look like. They look very soft and pretty. I'll have all the links down below for you guys, and don't forget to use my code CAKE20 to save $20 off on any order over $100. So shout out to YGwigs for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please leave me some love down below. I have a few more uploads to go. I think the next one is going to be something that I filmed earlier in the month. So thank you guys so much for supporting. If you have not yet, go ahead and subscribe, turn on your notifications, and follow me on all of my social media platforms. They will be listed down in the description box for you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Can I get yours? Can I get yours? Say, can I